Hello and welcome to the next tutorial of Nafhaa. In this tutorial, we will be seeing the task module. So task module is located over here in the task section, this one. You can even find it from the search box over here. So once you click on start, this will be your landing page for the task module. Here you will be able to see the list of all the tasks which are been created by you or which are been assigned to you. Okay, so here you will see the ID task, the details of task, then the type of task, then the creation date, who has created this task or assigned this task and assigned to whom. If there are multiple assignees to this task, they can be also seen. Then the priority, and if it is any customer specific task, then the customer name can be enabled. The task stage, what is it, the stage of this task now, then the status, completion date, and if it is been overdue, then you can see the overdue days over here. So here we can search the task by its content, by its details. So you can just type it here and you will be able to see that particular task. So it is called as quick search. Here we can define a new task. You can refresh the list. In column picker, this is a column picker where you can choose for the columns which you want. If some columns are not applicable for your business type, you can hide them. If task ID is not necessary, you can remove it that too. So this is the column picker where we can choose column what we want. Even we can just change the column width like this, sorry, like this, and even we can change the column sequence from here too. So like if you want creation date to be first, assigned by is not much necessary, so I'm just dragging it at last, and assigned to is very much important for me. So I can just customize my view as per my convenience, and this will save the view for your user only. It will not save or it will not affect other users on your system. So you can customize your view as per your convenience. Okay. Then comes the quick filter where you can filter the task by various criteria given over here, like custom stage, customer name, status, assigned to, priority wise. You can filter the task. And whatever filters you applied, you can apply multiple filters, and also you can export that data to Excel and PDF as a reports. If you have bulk delete permission, you can just select the task which you want to delete and you can just bulk delete them. Here from grid also you can change the details, the type, the stage. You can even change the stage, you can change the status, and this can be even edited for multiple records like we do in Excel, and you can then save it as a bulk changes here. Then you have settings. So this is very important where you can customize what aspects you need in your task and what are not needed. So like attachments are enabled. There are hide expected actual time date, actual time and actual day, expected time in task. You can enable that. You can enable notes in task. You can even enable automations like email and messages, and even this task can be uh, customized to be used in project management. Even this task is enabled uh, to use it for development, software development purpose. Even this task can be used by customizing some fields for the Scrum management or the agile practices where the Scrum framework can be implemented. So there are many such options over here. You can even enable the reward mechanism for the users if they are completing task on time. You can enable task transfer mechanism. So there are a lot of fields or given or the options given here in task settings. So I would request you to please explore them, and because this is very powerful thing, you can mold or customize the task module as per your business flow, as per your convenience. So update. Here you can even group your task by just dragging and dropping your columns here, and you'll have a pivot view and a grouping view of your data. We have a separate video for this. Please explore that video for the advanced feature of dragging and grouping for by using drag and drop functionality. Even you can create the favorite views for your task. This is again a very powerful feature, and we have a separate video too for this. And also edit filters can be used, so you can apply multiple combinations of your criterias and generate the dynamic reports. We do have the video for this edit filters as a separate tutorial, so please explore that too. So you can wherever your hand cursor changes to sorry cursor changes to the hand cursor, just click there. It will open a task for you. So this is a task form. So this is a default view with very simple and minimal options to add a task. But as I showed in the settings, you can enable multiple things and you can use the task for the for as per your business flow. So like there will be a task title, then the task details, and you can categorize the task. So there is a master given over here. You can create your categories. So by default, a general category is added. You can add your own categories, and this is the creation date, expected start date, expected completion date, and time is given. Then what priority you want to add for this task, then the status, the stages can be added as per your convenience. So as of now I have added 3 stages, so they can be as per your business flow. You can add it as per in the master as per your need. Then assigned by will be a task creator, assigned to will be to whom the task is assigned, and even in multi assign you can assign it to multiple users. So like these are all accountable person, and this is one will be a responsible. I have enabled attachments from settings, so two attachments are visible. If you don't want, you can just remove them. So it's very customizable and very friendly, and it can adapt to your business flow. Then you can add the notes in this task, multiple notes, as we have enabled it from setting. If you have not enabled, then this section will not be visible. Then there is a button as update or apply changes. If I click on apply changes, whatever changes we made, they will be saved and we remain on the same form. If I click on update, the changes will be saved and this form will be closed from the screen. Even there are some options to make stage as compulsory. You can opt it from settings. Then you have delete option. If you have permission to delete the task, then you can clone this task and just do the minor changes if the task is similar. You can change the send the SMS to the assignee, and this email and SMS can be automated from the settings itself. So whenever you create a task, you change a task, or you change the status of the task, or you close the task, the email and SMS acknowledgement will be sent. And here you have audit trail, so who has done what changes on what task can be seen. And there is another one as task transfer, as we seen in a setting. So you can see the task was transferred from whom to who, at what stage, at what level, at what time. So going back to the list of tasks over here. So this was all about the task module. Thank you for watching.